Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your live location in Google Maps in just a few simple steps. First, make sure location services are turned on. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down, and then tap Location. Make sure location is turned on. On iPhone, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Scroll down, find Google Maps, and set it to while using the app or always, with precise location turned on. Now, open the Google Maps app. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. From here, select Location Sharing. Tap Share Location to begin. You can choose how long to share your location. For 1 hour, multiple hours, or until you turn it off manually. Then, select the person you want to share with from your contacts, or use more options to send it by text, email, WhatsApp, Facebook, or even Telegram. That's it. Your live location is now shared, and you can stop sharing anytime from the same menu. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.